Okay, we are going to start week 3 now, and let's just start one by one. So let's do the title thing like they always want us to do. What is this? Weird. Okay. And now who's the larger data set? Okay, so we need to use the data from here. So I'm going just to delete this dummy data, and instead I'm going to send, oh, it's called utils, no, get color from string. We want this full table. Okay, so full table data. Do we have data? We have data, perfect, but we don't have status. Okay, so we can do that dynamically in here. Instead, we going to generate a status because everything is equal. So let's use math random JavaScript random number. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's copy this function, put here, and with tree we have 0, 1, 2, and we want for status, so we need to get from 4. Okay, so let's put that here, and 0. Wait, we need to create a status too. Okay, so that status is going to be what we receive. Now we're going to transform it or to change it. Status is going to be 1. It's going to be 2. Status, and this is going to be the third status. Perfect. Why is it giving? Because we have it correct, and now we are using our variable. Perfect. Okay. So we have already give our custom status dynamically. We don't need to worry. Of course, every time we're going to refresh, we're going to have different ones, but doesn't matter. Implement infinity scroll. I think I saw the infinity thing before when we are doing the previous challenge. We don't want this and this, so let's go to the start. Infinity scrolling, perfect, it's here, but how do I see the code? I don't see the code. Okay. So scroll to load more data. I guess this is what we want. The table initially contained 50 rows. When the last 10 rows are reached, the table will load more. I guess that's what we want. We should load 10 rows on initialization and rows after to the bottom to apply a style. Okay. Okay. So let's first just show the 10 rows. Let's copy this to then I search this more easily and Let's put here. And in here we should visible roll count mode. We need fixed. Fixed. We want fixed. And how do I say how many I want? Visible rows. It's right in front of me. So 10. Perfect. No, we are going to use 5, so we are going to load 10, and when we scroll 5, it's going to load. Okay. And now we want the infinity scroll, right? Implement the infinity scroll. Okay. So here, do we have code? No, here. Perfect. So infinity scroll true. Thresholds. What is that? The last 5 rows. Okay. So guess our scroll is 5, right? You should load 10 rows and 5 rows after scroll. Okay. So no, we don't want the thresholds, if I understand. Let's see. So let's copy this. That seems to be the necessary effect. Use state. We need to use ref from React too. Okay. This set loading is from here. Unloading more. We need to use on here and unload. We need these two things. Okay. And let's just put this and see if we really need this. So our data, how many do we have? We have 20. Okay, so yeah, let's do what they say. So we want to load only 10 at first. So 10. And then we want to load 5. So this is the offset, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm not sure if here it's 10 or 5. Let's try. Errors. Whose effect is not defined. Whose effect? Yep. Yep. Okay. Okay, we have 5 rows. 10. No, it's already everything loaded. We don't want this, so what I'm doing wrong? Um, maybe this. No, we are loading everything at once. Why is that? We want 0 to 10. References 10. Offset current or 5. I don't think visible rules 5. Are we getting only 10? I'm not sure if that command is the full table data, and when we do the slice, we are receiving 10 exactly. Let me take this. Visible row 10. Always come everything, but it shouldn't. Oh, okay, it's this. So let's put 5 again, and let's put the thresholds of 5. So we have 10 showing, we have 10 loaded, but only showing 5, and then we can load more 5. And when we are loading those 5, it's going to ask more. So now we are just have 10, it's loading. Yes, more 5, correct, and more 5, perfect. And now shouldn't have anything. Maybe we have a bug here because of the status. Yeah, the status seems to be, yeah, the status I think are changing because we are changing, uh, doing the status dynamically, so that's why, but yeah, shouldn't be really a problem. Because we are going to fetch data from the backend, so this is just our example, and in our example we are generating the status dynamically just for the fun of it. Yeah. So I guess this challenge is complete, right? Yep, because now we just need to take a screenshot.